Hello Twisters, I just wanted to make a little video to show you all a little preview of what's to come for my spring line. These are a few pieces that I decided to feature, give you a little preview, and I have been so hard at work. I'm going to have so many new and exciting items for you all to look at and to hopefully purchase probably the third week in March. So there's one of my adjustable bracelets. Here we go there. We've got some necklaces. Most of these necklaces, I've got these are 16-inch, by the way, and I've included a 2-inch extension so that you can have that up to 18 inches if you like. Here we are. Again, 2-inch extension on the chains. Same way with my bracelets. Many of them I have also included an extension. The bracelets are the average size of 7, but with that extension you can get it all the way up to a 9. So there you go. Isn't that just gorgeous? So, this is just a few items I selected. I have plenty more, and I'm going to be producing plenty more. So remember, it's twistbydesign.com. Please go check out my site. Please favorite that site, so come March you already have it, so you can go check it out really quick, and all that good stuff for all the new items. So till next time, loves, hugs, kisses, take care.